What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer. The first step is to obtain the Payoneer account details. So you'll need to sign up to your Payoneer account, assuming it's your account you're using, then navigate to the Get Paid section. Go to the Receive tab, and then find the banking details of the currency you plan to transfer from Wise. Note down all the necessary details such as banking name, account number, routing number, account type, beneficiary name, and banking address. Then next, with these details copied, you will need to log into your Wise account. Open a new tab and log into your Wise account. Then go to your balances or choose the specific balance you want to send. Click on the send option and then ensure that the currency you're sending from Wise matches the currency of your Payoneer account details. For example, if you copied USD account details from Payoneer, you'll need to use USD on Wise. So enter the amount you want to send, review the fees and total amount, then click and continue. The next step is to add your Payoneer account details in Wise. So Wise will prompt you to add the recipient's bank details. So go ahead and enter the Payoneer details which was copied in step number 1. Double check the banking name, accounting number, and routing number that these exactly match to avoid errors. Then complete the wire transfer. After entering these details, proceed with payment in Wise. Then go to the home section in your Payoneer account, navigate to transactions, and you should see the incoming funds in your Payoneer account. Then you can view the transaction details for updates. You may choose to note down the transaction number for future reference in case there are any issues. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer.